Creative writing is the practicing of particular skills and developing craft. Those skills are important. However, what's more important is a writer, a young student writer, discovering who that person is, the self, and the writer's relationship between the self and the larger world. I can't know, just in classroom conversation, too much about the self, and so one-on-one conversations is always the way for me to figure out, who the person is, what the person has been affected by, what the person is interested in, and the time alone with students is really crucial to figuring out who they are, so that I can either help or not help depending on what the student needs. I will invite everyone to come into the office and to pursue personal discussions and or craft discussions, theoretical discussions. Anyone can come in and do that, but I think just for practicality's sake, it's usually the students who have a genuine interest in the field who end up coming in a lot. And then I'll try and connect those students with other like-minded students who have similar interests and similar passions.